Hello everyone.
The trial within a trial of Senzomeyiwa murder trial is continuing at the High Court in Pretoria.
Right, sit.
Judge Ratha, who's presiding over the matter, was at loggerheads with Advocate Mshololo, who's representing accused number 5 with regards to AVL report and automated vehicle location. There was an issue of the AVL in court with regards to Mr. Dupree, who is the expert of the AVL. Judge Baloyi informed the court that the issue they discussed. Now the defense counsel wants to look at the Mr. Dupree's report first before making the presentation before court. They haven't made agreements on that one. Judge Ratha said Dupree is the state witness who happens to be an expert on the AVL, and this is the adversarial situation. The state has got to lead. He can't lead himself, the court can't lead him also. Advocate Mshololo, who's representing accused number 1 and 2, said that's correct, it's a statement. The judge further said that the court will grant Mr. Baloyi leave in terms of the witness because there is the new evidence and the witness agreed to by all the parties. Advocate Mnisi said the witness was still under cross-examination when the issue arose. He doesn't know whether they should abandon that. Mokgatleng said he never said that. He can still continue with cross-examination. Even Mshololo can do so. Advocate Mshololo then said she doesn't think there's an issue because the state was trying to address the concern when they discussed regarding the presentation of AVL report. The state indicated to them that Mr. Dupree is ready with the report. They then asked if that report can be given to them to have a look at it. They were then told that Mr. Dupree can't give it to them. It's contained in his laptop. They then requested an opportunity to sit with Dupree to go through that evidence. That cannot be furnished to them. They can have a look at it with him so that they can take instructions from their clients before it's being presented before court. Judge Ratha said no, they'll do it the other way. Mr. Dupree will be presenting the report. Then after, they'll have access to that report, cross-examine Dupree on that report, and they can call their own expert to contradict Dupree's report. By the way, this was the extraordinary procedure in the interest of justice. All of them didn't understand how the AVL works. That's why they approached the witness and further said that he raised that issue. Since he's the state witness, he must also assist the court. The report is now prepared. Let him present it. Then after presenting it, Mshololo, Nxumalo, Mnisi and herself can cross-examine the witness. Advocate Mshololo said that's not fair. She's submitting to the court that they want to look at the report before it's being presented. Advocate Ratha was so annoyed and said he has made a ruling on that one. She can take him on for an appeal if she wants to do so. She wants to sit with the witness. Is she listening to herself? I mean, really? Advocate Mshololo said yes, my lord, because the report cannot be given to them. Judge Ratha said she'll do so after Dupree presented in court. They can adjourn, even if it's 2 years, just to look at the report. Then they can formulate their questions. What is the problem? Advocate Mshololo said her problem is that before the evidence is presented in court, they are entitled to see the report. The disclosure has to be made to the defense so that proper instructions can be taken to their clients before the evidence is presented. Judge Ratha said they differ there. He then told Dupree that for the purpose of objectivity, he doesn't have a problem with his expertise, and then read a judgment that supported what he was saying. Judge Ratha then asked Dupree that when can they get copies from his laptop. Dupree said he has pictures, but what he's going to present is the report. He'll give it to the defense. Advocate Mshololo said the issue arose when Mnisi was cross-examining the witness, so it should be him who's cross-examining the witness. Judge Ratha said they will all start afresh, and if she wants to run this place, she must put it on record so that he can recuse himself. He doesn't have a problem with that. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.